Hi there, my name's Tom Richards. I'm with the Collaboration Endpoints Technology Group. I'm here at Cisco Live in San Francisco. I've got the opportunity to talk to you about some of the exciting things we're announcing here at Cisco Live. Before I do, what I wanted to take you through was a little bit of the strategy that's driving what we're doing on the endpoints, and it's all frankly about taking the experiences that we know and love from our video endpoints and delivering that at scale. And in particular, taking those endpoint experiences and allowing those to scale to the mid-market experiences. So with that, the first thing I wanted to talk about is our SX10 solution. Where does that play? It plays in the small quiet rooms, the small meeting rooms, the huddle rooms. 2 to 6 people. It has a fantastic deployment scenario that allows people to get it up and running in about 2 to 3 minutes. Simple deployment that requires only power over Ethernet, providing connectivity and power, and a simple HDMI connection to the screen. The end user can set this up extremely quickly. So with that, what I'd like to do is just introduce the device itself. I've got on screen here my colleagues Claudia and Finn Helge. Finn Helge is actually the product line manager for this, so I hope I'm doing it justice, Finn. So what you can see here is the system just deployed on the top of the screen. The video quality is second to none. No compromises on HD quality video, no compromises on the quality of the audio. What we're showing here is content sharing. So you can see in the content sharing, I've got, again, the ability for me to do anything that I can do with any of my meeting room systems today, I can do with the SX10. But one of the innovations that we wanted to bring with this is our ability to use a personal device to actually get content now onto my personal device from the meeting room system. And what you saw as I've done that pairing, what it allows me to now do is use that screen real estate to provide Claudia and Finn Helge at full life size, which is what I would expect. So now my personal device is connected into the meeting, and as I do that, not only do I use my screen real estate within the room more effectively, but I'm also able to now scroll back through content that has previously been shared on my personal device to catch up if I've been late. So that allows me a personalized experience within the meeting room that is for me without disrupting anybody else, including the presenter. So what's the other big innovation on this? Price point. These systems come in at a fraction of where we've been coming in the past with our meeting room systems and allow that scale to really deploy into these smaller meeting room systems. So with that, I'd like to go over and talk to you about some of the other systems we've deployed at the desktop. Thanks. So we talked about the SX10, we talked about the meeting room space. Now I'd like to talk to you about some of the innovations and these new announcements that are coming at Cisco Live. And again, I want to talk about the relevance to the mid-market space. So what have we done in the desktop space and what's been driving our innovations? Exactly the same strategy that I talked you through on the meeting room systems here on the desktop space. We have a well-defined experience with our EX series, but we need to deliver that at scale, at the right price points, and we need to continue to innovate. So this is what we've done with the DX series. I'm looking here at the DX80, and here is the DX70. 23.5-inch screen, 14-inch screen. Very much the same features. As you can see, I'm in a call, I'm with Finn and Claudia again. I'm looking at content sharing, all of the typical things I would expect to see. The video quality is second to none, HD 1080p on both systems. I have a camera that delivers that same quality back into the meeting as well. But what are the key innovations that we've added to this? So one of the things about this system is, what else can I do when I'm in a meeting? So one of the key things that we want to be able to do is allow the innovations to make these business relevant. So I may not just want to be in a meeting talking to people, sharing content. What if I wanted to start doing, for example, ad hoc work? So what I've done here is I've actually just downloaded an application, a whiteboard application off the Google Store, and I'm now able to start to make some edits to this. As I do that, I'm now doing that while in the meeting. As you can see, I still have Finn and I still have Claudia in the meeting. So this now allows me to bring my business applications with my meetings. So as I say, we've done that on both of these systems. That innovation now is allowing us to drive that kind of business integration to our desktop systems, but to do it at price points that we've never been able to do before. So bringing these down massively and allowing extremely simple deployments. Again, highly flexible in how we deploy through things like Wi-Fi and wireline, and again, with a experience second to none. So with that, thank you very much for joining us. Please visit our Mid-Market Solutions website and look at some of the other solutions we've developed.